today is a Sunday, so it's generally my day off today, so I just wanted to get some new pots for my plants. So recently I got this guy. You guys have been seeing him in my videos recently. So I really love this plant because it has these like really nice, wide, pretty, like bright green leaves, but then I love how the stalks right here are this really pretty pastel peachy pink. So this is my favorite plant right now. I went and got these really cute pots, and I generally go to Home Goods to buy my pots because they're so cheap and they're just really random. So I got a matching set of these really cute like floral design pots. Hi guys, I brought my camera to vlog, but I forgot my memory card at home, so I have to use my phone today. I am here at Lowe's to pick up some new mirrors because my bathroom mirrors were just temporary while the renovation was happening. But I wanted to start filming like videos in my bathroom, so I needed to get some cute mirrors. So I found some online that I really like, so we're gonna go pick them up. This is the one that I was looking at, but it's actually really giant. I don't know if I'm about that. There's another one that I was looking into. I think this one might be more my speed. It's a little smaller. Okay, actually, it's super cute. I'm into it.
I like it.
Yay, thanks, Tinny. What would I do without you? The plant section, my greatest weakness. Oh no. Oh no. Wait a minute. These are so pretty. Ooh. I saw this online as an easy to take care of plant, and this one is good with low to indirect light, so I think this is going to be good for my bedside table. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my bathroom. I've never brought you guys in here before, but I made it look all cute so I could start filming videos in here. So today I am going to go to my friend's event. You guys know Keston, I love them so much. They're having a party to celebrate the launch of their spring and summer collection. So I am gonna go over in just a bit and I'm going to go see them. Oh no, what is that? Oh, they just texted me! Yay, I love them so much. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna start with some skincare first. So recently I've been super into this brand. They're called Dr. Mason, and you guys know that I love K-beauty. I just did like a huge K-beauty haul and review for you guys. I freaking love K-beauty. Like I can't get enough of it. So first let's start off with using a sheet mask, and this is their Derma Violet Aurora Hydrogel Mask. So in this mask it has pearl powder and also pearl extract, and that really helps the skin look really glowy and really dewy as well. Ooh, I cannot get enough of the smell of this mask. It smells so nice. And it's a hydrogel mask, which means that it doesn't use a sheet. It's just made out of like this like gelatinous material, and it adheres really well for like maximum efficiency. Alright, so I have the full thing on. I freaking love this mask. Look at how beautiful and shimmery it is. This is all the pearl extract that's in there. So I'm just gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and let this all soak into my skin. Yes! Next I'm going in with the Derma Day Red Pearl Serum, and again this is from Dr. Mason, and I love this serum because it's so luxurious and so moisturizing. Lastly, to seal in all of the moisture, I'm going in with the Derma Day Red Pearl Cream, again from Dr. Mason. And this is part of their Red Pearl line, so again, this is just going to really help hydrate and nourish the skin with those red pearl particles. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty and bouncy, and I love like the little like red specks in the translucent moisturizer. I can't even tell you guys how much I love the scent of this. It's really refreshing. The texture of their products is so soft and lightweight, and I've been telling you guys about this recently, but I find that the more I moisturize my skin before I put on foundation, I don't even have to use a primer because having good moisture is probably like the best primer that I can use for my really dry skin. Now I'm going into my foundation and I have the Dermatox cushion. Look at how pretty the packaging is. I freaking love it. So I have two colors, 21 and also 23, but I'm in the shade 23, which I usually am with cushion compacts. So this is my current favorite cushion compact because it has SPF 50, which is great as usual, and it also has the added benefits of skincare. So it's really great for reducing wrinkles and also evening out the skin and giving it this brightening effect. I actually really like this cushion foundation because it's more on the lightweight side and it just looks really, really healthy and like my skin, but just like better. Okay, I am just going to finish up the rest of my makeup really quick because I'm just going to be doing like my usual like pinky red lip with cat eyes. I went for a brighter lip than I usually do because it is springtime and I decided to go for this floral clip to match with also my floral earrings because again, it is springtime and I am just in the mood for spring. So yeah, that's it. I am gonna hop into the car. I have to get boba for them before I leave, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hey guys, welcome to my car. I just realized that I never brought you guys in here before. I just got boba. I got a huge heavy bag of it because they love half and half and they don't have half and half in their area. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my sunglasses. Oh, also I changed my bangs again because I couldn't figure out how I wanted to wear my bangs today, but I just wanted to share with you guys my sunglasses because these ones are my current favorite sunglasses. These ones are from Oscar Wilde. I like the clear frame and the golden detail. I think it's really different from the usual like super black sunnies that I get, so I really like these. Hi guys, I'm at one of my favorite places. I'm in Descanso Garden and I think I'm in the city of Glendale, although I'm honestly not too sure. And I've taken you guys here before like years ago, but I haven't really been back since because it's just a bit of a far drive for me, but I finally made the time to come here again and it's so nice. This is one of my absolute favorite places in LA, especially during the springtime because everything is blooming and it's really beautiful and it's huge. Some of you guys might know that I've been home cooking my dog's meals for him and I've been posting about it on my Instagram stories for a few months, I think. You guys are asking me so many questions and everyone is really interested in home cooking their meals for their own dogs. So first we're just going to start grocery shopping and then we are going to get into the recipe. First I'm starting off with 6 pounds of chicken breast, and this is without skin and without any bones, and I have already painstakingly cubed all 6 pounds of this, and I'm just putting it into the largest pot that I own, and I am adding water and filling this up to the top, just making sure that all of the chicken is covered, and then I am boiling this until cooked. I think it took me about 15 minutes. Afterwards, I removed about 2/3 of the liquid and I left the remaining chicken stock to hydrate and cook these 6 cups of rolled oats that I'm adding now. And you can use as much or as little liquid as you want. So while I'm letting those rolled oats boil a little bit more, I am going into my vegetables, and I've already cubed 4 cups of Italian squash and 2 cups of carrots, and then I have 2 cups of frozen peas, which I was supposed to defrost, but they didn't in time. But I just put them in anyway because I don't think a little bit of frozen peas is gonna kill my dog. So after letting my oats boil for a little bit, I didn't boil them for that long because my dog likes more of a hard texture to his food. I'm adding in my medley of vegetables, and lastly on top I have 1 cup of my shredded parsley, and that's it. That's my food. I sectioned this off into portions and I freeze them, and I just defrost them the night before I am gonna feed him. He really loves this food. It's so cute. It's really rewarding to see my dog love the food that I cook for him because he doesn't have high standards like people do.